Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be setting up my planner for the month of July. I'm actually going to be filling out my monthly overview page and my monthly calendar. So let's go ahead and dive into the overview page first. This is where I will keep up with my goals. So I am going to be using this sticker book. This is one that I picked up from Michaels. It has a bunch of functional stickers in here. So I'm planning on using this along with my own stickers. So I have my colorful boxes here and I already started filling out my headers. I always like to create 5 goals for the month. One is around my spiritual life, and usually that is the Bible study that I'm going to be doing for the month. The next one is my mental goal, and this is usually around my business or what I am planning on reading for the month. My relational goal is something that I would like to do with my family or my friends, and for this month I'm going to be planning out my date night. I also have my birthday this month, and I also have a family day that I want to plan out. My physical, which is my workouts, making sure that I am staying on top of my physical health. So usually I'm keeping up with what type of workouts I want to do. And financial, and my financial goal is always surrounding my debt reduction or saving money. Usually I will have some type of saving, debt reduction, and budgeting goal. So now that those headers are down, let me zoom you in so that we could start filling this out. I know for this month I wanted to do the book of John, so I'm just gonna write in here that this is going to be my Bible study plan. Okay, so I've written down my Bible study plan. Now we are going to move on to my mental goal. So for this month, I am planning to read more. I had fallen off of my reading, and it's just because I had so much on my plate. I have started a few books that I have not finished, and so my goal is to finish. The next goal is my relational goals, and this is me and my husband's birthday month. So I do want to plan some things out this month. So I have a couple of things that I am doing this month for fun, and so I'm jotting that down. Now the next one is my physical goals, and this is just going to continue the things that I've already been kind of working on. My goal here is to be active at least 5 times per week. So we got all 4 of those, and then the last one is going to be my financial goals. And for this one, I have just been reducing debt and saving more. And so we're gonna keep that going. Here is my overview page. It is done. We have all 5 of my goals for the month, and I just incorporate them into my daily routines. So now we are going to move over to the monthly calendar, and in order to fill out my monthly calendar, I always flip over to my future section, and I will pull out my portrait calendar that I have here, because this is where I will usually pre-plan and add all of the things that are coming up for the upcoming month, and then I will transfer this information into my actual planner. Okay, so let's go ahead and start filling this out. start by adding in my dates. And the first starts on a Monday. I love when that happens, only because it feels like a fresh start. This month is so insane. I have so much going on. And we're gonna see how we're gonna fit it all in. I might have to write really small. Okay, added all my dates. Now let's just start adding in all of the things that are coming up. I probably should write everything down before I add any stickers. I was gonna add stickers, but since I know I have a lot going on this month, I don't wanna add the stickers first. So, I'm gonna zoom you in. Right, so I have added a majority of the events to my calendar. As you can see, it's pretty hectic. I have a lot of meetings, a lot of just things just kind of going on. So I don't want to put in too many stickers, but I don't want to leave it bare. So I'm going to add in a couple of these little flag ones that I'm getting from this sticker book, and I'm just going to put it on a couple of these Sundays and just in a couple of other spaces, just to kind of mark off some of the things that I do not want to forget. And I'm also going to add these YouTube icons to mark off the days that I would like YouTube videos to post. And usually I will pre-schedule these, so even if it's on a day where I have something else going on, it is just a reminder, just something to let myself know that I need to make sure I post. And so we're gonna do that on Tuesdays and Fridays. I do have these birthday icon stickers, and these are from my shop, and so we're gonna add it to my birthday and also my husband's birthday, which is both in the month of July. And I'm also gonna add a computer icon sticker. I think our class for Organize You is going to be toward the end of the month. So I'm gonna add it now for the 25th. So this is how my calendar looks for this month. I have added everything. As you can see, it's a very busy month. However, I just kind of kept the stickers to a minimal, so then that way I could make sure that I could fit everything. This one is my catch-all planner, which is my weekly hourly planner. So I will usually time block my weeks. And so I like to look at this one in order to help me to see everything that's going on, any place that I need to be throughout the entire month. And then we have our goals here for the month. In the next video that I post, I am going to be setting up my social media planner, which is my work planner. And for this one, this is where I map out everything that I need to do for work and the main projects that I have for work. And this is the dashboard style planner. So that will be in the next video I post, but I hope that you have enjoyed this one. Y'all let me know in the comments if you are all set up and ready to go for the month of July, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.